What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. And you know exactly who you are. And you know who you are. And you know who you are. You know exactly who you are. It's the final countdown.
We know we don't look like we do keto, but I've lost 45 pounds.
56. Dude, yeah, cheers, coffee time. Dang, those guys are fat.
Like you're about to slit your wrist.
Did somebody say roll tide?
I did. This side. You're crazy.
Should we roll the intro?
Yeah.
Keep it Bubba Gump, keep it man beef, keep it layered, keep it stacked in the hay, keep it on the waffle train.
Stupid.
And remember, until next time,
Keep it ice cream.
what? No!